Hi everyone, I'm back. So I got derailed the last time. Life happened and it sort of threw me off course. But I'm back now and I'm raring to go. So I'm relaunching my property channel, property and flipping for dummies. So I'm relaunching it and I've sort of reformatted it. It's going to be quite different from how it was before, or shall I say a little bit different. So, in the past, all I did was show you my before and after videos. But what I'm intending on doing this time is actually take you on the journey, because, it is a bit of a journey. There's quite a journey before I get to the point where I'm even buying the property, never mind doing it up. So I want to give you a full picture, and that way it's easier for anybody who is actually interested in flipping properties to follow the whole process and see what goes on. So I am looking forward to the journey, especially as it's going to be quite different from what it was before. So I'm looking forward to the journey, and I'm inviting you to come with me. It's going to be quite interesting, it's going to be quite informative. So follow me, subscribe so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. I tend to post quite a bit, even my thought processes in making certain decisions. I'm going to share with you just to give you a fuller picture. So stay with me on this journey. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thank you, and share with your friends as well, people you think might be interested in doing this. Okay, thank you and see you soon.